another part is located in Africa. Striking contrast with Bologna. A certain Duke Sigismund fathered 50 illegitimate children. Hey there, lovelies! Welcome to Dramatically Expatic and welcome to Merano. We're in northern Italy today and we've gone so far up north that if you go any further, you'll probably end up in Austria. Maybe that's my coping mechanism and I'm trying to escape the heat wave, but also I'm so excited to show you this place. It is definitely a valid alternative if you don't want to spend your vacation at the beach, but you still want to spend some time in Italy surrounded by beautiful nature, history and architecture. And without waiting any longer, come with me and let's discover this city together. In the 19th century, Merano turned into a famous holiday destination thanks to the hot springs found here, and it was frequented by many people, prominent people as well, including the famous Austrian Empress Elizabeth, known to the world as Sissy, who loved this place and used to come here. She's been here several times and I totally get why. It's my first time in Merano, but I can already say that it's absolutely adorable. One of the first things that you notice right away here in Merano is how green the city is. Striking contrast with Bologna, but also the beauty around the nature is absolutely fascinating. Obviously, the city is surrounded by the mountains, the beautiful mountains. I love it so much. Wherever you go here, you will see this spectacular panorama. Amazing. But on the other hand, all this nature can also be dangerous. These rocks are kind of a monument now because in the 15th century, Merano suffered a terrible flood that killed so many people and brought a lot of damage to the city. And these rocks have remained here ever since as a silent reminder of what happened to the city. Because, yeah, the nature is beautiful, but it can be dangerous as well. Lungo posteriore, this broad walk along the river, also used to be a very important and famous place here, and the nobles who came to Merano probably to have some time off in the spa, you know, loved to take long walks here. However, in the 19th century, this walk wasn't actually open to all the people. Only the noble guests of the city could walk here, or the locals who were well dressed. Special police even controlled who had access to this area, which is crazy to think today. However, the times were like that, and so yeah, you know, it was considered normal. Even women were limited here because of their long gowns and their long skirts that were creating too much dust for local gentlemen and for the noble tourists. You know, the times, guys. Luckily today we can all have a walk here regardless of what you're wearing. There is a very peculiar fact about Merano. From the geological point of view, a part of the city is located in Europe, while another part is located in Africa, because there are two tectonic plates meeting right in the center of Merano. the Eurasian one and the African one. And you know, technically speaking, Bologna is located on the African plate, which probably explains why it's so hot there and why the temperature is way better here. Obviously, I'm joking. I know why the climate is way better here than it is in Bologna. You know, when I found out this fact, I was quite amazed by the fact that technically I'm living in Africa. Look at this door, guys. This place is known as Castello Principesco, and this is one of the main attractions here in the center of Merano. Once it was a medieval castle, today it is a museum and also a place for different celebrations, including weddings. And not by case, some people say that this small door is aimed at stopping the people who want to flee their wedding, who do not want to get married, and thus they cannot really escape, you know, because the door is so small. However, in reality, this door was so small, allowing only one person at once to help the guard keep the passage somewhat under control during the medieval times. However, it's really cute, and I honestly love this very peculiar door. And yeah, I think this is definitely one of a kind, you know, entrance. Another legend says that a certain Duke Sigismund, during his various numerous stays here in this castle, fathered, attention, 50 illegitimate children. I don't know what it says about the Duke or the castle, however, since you can have a wedding here, lovebirds, take notes, I don't know. And that's it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog from Merano, because it's definitely a lovely city, and as I said at the beginning, it could be a perfect alternative to the beach holiday if you don't know what to do at the beach for a long time, like myself, you know. Here, on the other hand, you can have all the culture and history and the nature, hiking and stuff, and I think you can easily spend a couple of days here in Merano without getting bored, or, you know, just enjoying the city and the pace of life here. It's still hot here, I have to say, although definitely not as hot as it was in Bologna earlier today. So yeah, I enjoyed today, I enjoyed this city, and I hope that I managed to inspire you to come and check it out. As always, guys, don't forget to put a thumbs up, comment and share this video with your friends so I can make more videos like this. And if you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell button to get the notifications of all the upcoming videos, because there are more videos coming your way. Thank you for being here and enjoy your day.